All right. Hola, muchachos. Jesus, titty fuck. We got a good one today, I think. Anyways, Dominos. Then you might be asking yourself, why the hell would I be reviewing a Domino's wheel? They just came out with a stuffed crust, okay? Now, actually, as far as chains go, Domino's, they're up in the top 3 with Pizza Nova and Pizzaville, right? Bottom 3, just so you can have a look here. Bottom 3 is Pizza, Papa John's, and Pizza Slut. I fucking hate Pizza Slut. Hate it. I don't know if they've done the stuffed crust or they're just entering the game, but I do like a good stuffed crust wheel. Back in the day in the 90s when Little Caesars, I think Pizza Slut was the first to bring it out, but Little Caesars, when they brought it out and I was working there, delicious. But we have a problem here, folks. They didn't cut the son of a bitch. Now, I know, despite my appearance, you think I can just inhale this thing, okay, without it being cut, but that's just not the case. But let's see what we got here. We got some onions, Brooklyn pepperoni, and Italian sausage. I'll fucking cut it at home. I'll cut a slice right here in the luxurious and prestigious Maxima, because you should always have a knife. That's because, not for, you know, giving someone the old shank, but just for situations like this. I actually love the fucking sausage that Domino's has. Just Domino's, not the sausage your sister's always taking. So we got a garlic butter on here, filled with mozzarella. Okay, the only problem with, let's have a look at that. Oh, God damn it. Good thing I brought out the plates de papier. Okay, let's get into this. Shit. Anytime you can slather garlic butter on a crust, you'll never need a dipping sauce. This cost me just over 30 bucks. Not cheap. Not cheap, because you're getting all that extra chase. Like, as far as chain pizza goes, it's good. It's good. Well, what am I giving this? Muchachos, mother bitches, I'd give it a 7. It's a solid 7. You know, a little pricey, but that's to be expected. But the little garlic butter, like, I did that last viral Domino's with the cheesesteak and the white sauce, the garlic sauce, or whatever it was. I don't know whoever started that thing, but I shouldn't be allowed to order pizza again. All right, muchachos, that's all I got for you on this cold day. Time to get this bad boy home. Bust out a bigger knife, right? And cut this up. Peace out, homies. Stay cool, stay frosty. You know, beware those lizard people.